How to build a wind turbine when the world's dead, the grid's gone, and your flashlight just coughed its last spark. No power, no sun, just wind screaming through the ruins. So make it work for you. Find a busted fan, bike wheel, or car alternator. Spin it, wire it, mount it high. Let the wind spin your junk into volts. Magnets spin, electrons move. That's science, or magic, same thing now. If the light flickers, congrats. If it shocks you, even better, you're still alive.
How to create plastic from algae when the world has ended, and more importantly, why would you need it? Because every bit of plastic's been burned or stolen. The ocean's a green soup, and you just need something that bends. Scoop the slime, boil it, stir with whatever isn't glowing, then add vinegar and baking soda. When it foams, that's chemistry being born again. Spread the goo, let it dry under the dead sun. Hours later, green, rubbery plastic, ugly, tough, useful. If it survives the rain, congrats. You just made civilization out of slime.
How to make batteries when the world is dead, the power's gone, and hope runs on empty. The grid's toast, your flashlight's a paperweight, time to cook up some volts. Rip copper from junk, grab an aluminium can and drown them in vinegar or salty water. Doesn't matter how ugly, this is apocalypse science. Electrons crawl, desperate and angry from one metal to another. That's power. Dirty, buzzing, real. Hook a few together and you've got light. Maybe a radio, maybe hope. If it shocks you, congrats. That's life trying to say hi. How to create vinegar when the world has ended, the city smell like rot, and your food stash is one bite from botulism. The power's gone, the freezer's thawed, and every can you open looks like a biology experiment. You need something that kills germs, preserves scraps, or maybe just makes that rat stew taste less like rat. Solution: vinegar. Sour, sharp, survival vinegar. Start by hunting down anything: sugary fruit scraps, stale bread, even the bottom sludge of a soda bottle. Dump it in a jar, jug, or the only intact pickle container you pried from a dead convenience store shelf. Add water, cover it with cloth, and let the apocalypse air do its work. Yeast shows up first, turning sugar into booze. Congrats, you made prison wine. But don't drink it yet, champ, the second squad arrives. Acetobacter. Tiny bacteria that eat alcohol and spit acid. Leave it for weeks. Smell it. If your nose screams and your eyes water, that's vinegar being born. What you just made is diluted acetic acid nasty enough to kill bacteria, pickle veggies, or strip rust off your scavenged machete. Sip it, clean with it, trade it. Survival currency in a bottle. If it burns your tongue and your enemy's wounds, perfect, you survived.
How to make paint from rocks when the world's ended, color's gone, and your walls are sad. The city's ash. Billboards are ghosts. Even graffiti gave up. Time to bring color back, the caveman way. Grab a rock, smash it with another rock till it's dust. Add water, ash, maybe animal fat if you're feeling fancy. Mix it up. Boom, apocalypse paint. Red, clay black, burn stuff. Blue, gone with civilization. Mineral pigment plus binder equals art. Cavemen did it first, you're just doing it last. Paint your bunker wall. Congrats, you made color out of the end of the world.